Are you having trouble with FaceTime loading issues or delays? We totally get how frustrating that can be, especially when you're chatting with someone important. These hiccups often come from network issues, outdated software, or background activities. But don't worry, this guide will walk you through some 100% effective solutions to fix those pesky loading problems on FaceTime, helping your video calls run smoothly again. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection is often the main culprit behind loading issues during FaceTime calls. Here's what you can do. Swipe down from the top of your iPhone screen to bring up the control center. Enable airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi or cellular data network. Open a browser and visit a site like fast.com to check your connection speed. If your internet is acting up, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 2. Restart FaceTime. Restarting the FaceTime app can often help clear up temporary issues. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. Swipe up on the FaceTime app to close it completely. After that, open the Settings app. Scroll down until you find the Apps section. Tap on Apps, then scroll down to find FaceTime. Turn off FaceTime, and after that, turn it back on. After that, reopen FaceTime and give it another go with your call. Solution 3. Enable background app refresh. Allowing apps to refresh in the background can help improve FaceTime performance. Open Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again to find background app refresh. Tap on background app refresh here. Select Wi-Fi and mobile data to allow both connections. Solution 4. Update iOS. Sometimes outdated software can lead to glitches during FaceTime calls. To check for updates, do the following. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to get your iPhone up to date. Solution 5. Reset network settings. If you're still having trouble, resetting your network settings might help resolve deeper connection issues. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. After resetting, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or cellular data and try FaceTime once again. By following these steps, you should be able to clear up those loading issues on your FaceTime calls and enjoy smoother video chats. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.